Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be showing you the location and removal of the MG3 heater blower motor and heater resistor. Keep in mind Australia is left-hand drive with the steering wheel on the right. This is a very easy DIY project as the location is exposed for the heater blower motor and resistor. Right underneath the glove box you can see you have access to the blower motor, which is held on by 3 Phillips screws, and just behind it is where your resistor is to the right, held on by 2 Phillips screws. First, we'll unplug the heater blower motor. You do not have to remove the blower motor in order to remove the resistor. I'm just showing you how to remove both. So unplug, and then with a Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and remove all 3 Phillips screws, and then it should come out quite easily. As you can see, it's already moving. And this is exactly how you take off the blower motor. If you have found this video helpful so far, please don't forget to like, comment, and most important, subscribe to support the channel. Onto the resistor, we will unplug it as well, and then remove the 2 Phillips screws. Keep in mind the position of the blower motor and resistor. When you're putting it back, you want to put it back in this position and not the opposite way. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.